You can't see me. Welcome to my channel. If you see me before, welcome back. It's about that time again. Easter basket making time. So I got all the stuff ready in one bag, ready to go. No, you know what? Let's not dump it. Let's not dump it. Like, I guess for the purposes of views, it will be nice, but let's not. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a nice Easter basket customized to your kids' liking. And it's something that they're going to be able to remember and love. And it's going to be on a budget. Because, you know. So you're not going to be spending a whole arm and a leg on it. Alright, this time I'm going to make it one person at a time. One for my stepson and one for my daughter. And we'll see how that goes. Which it should go great. It should be successful because you know what? I am manifesting. Anyways. The first thing we are going to need is a bucket, a basket, or some kind of vessel to put all the toys and candies in. I like to choose a bucket that they could use after because I don't like to waste. So yes, while some of the other Easter baskets are cute, if you have to throw it out after, like, do you really just throw away your money? So I got this cute shark bucket for my stepson. And I got this adorable unicorn bucket for my daughter, who apparently likes it. Sorry to spoil the surprise. I couldn't find a babysitter. You still can't get it till Easter. I gotta get it ready for you. Apart from the bucket, basket, or any other vessel, I like to use some tissue paper. You could use Easter grass, but like I said, I feel like that's a waste of money. And I wouldn't make you make more of a mess so you can clean it. I'm gonna use the green for the boy, and I'm gonna use the pink for the girl. It's easy to take out, and it's also, I like to put something underneath just so it can hold all the toys in place better. So you don't even have to use it. But if you do choose to use it, I would rather have tissue paper that you can just take one thing out than Easter grass, then you're gonna have to clean a whole mess after. Not worth it in my opinion. Alright, the first thing that we are going to do, as always, I like to take my tissue paper and crumble it up and make it fit in there. Makes a nice bottom. Then I like to take all the toys and little things and knickknacks that I bought, and I'd like to start putting them in from bigger to smaller. So the bigger things that you need to find space for, you can put them together, and then the smaller will fill in the spaces. So the biggest thing here is this Spider-Man magazine. We are gonna put it in the back like that. Also things that you don't wanna open. I got him little gel pens. Making sure that the price is not there. I got him a shark to go with the theme, a little squishable shark. Right now, he's having some issues with his dexterity and motor skills because of personal reasons, so I want him to like practice with this. And also I have this 2D toilet. Yes, very Easterish. It's toilet putty. I think it plays great by his sense of humor. So I think he's really gonna like this. And usually when it's stuff like this, if the box is too big, I usually take it out of the box. But this, I like to keep all the cautions and the instructions and all that stuff in there, so I'm not taking it out of the box. I got him some scented dough. This one is orange. And I got him a Spider-Man puzzle. Well, Spidey and Amazing Friends. So we can work on that together. Lately we've been doing puzzles together and it's been a lot of fun. Also, I got him a card and it says, "Are you the coolest kid anywhere this Easter? You bet your bunnies. Have lots of Easter fun." And I got him some Reese's Easter eggs. Well, I got us some Easter eggs because, oops, Mama gotta get some. I got him some Haribo little happy hoppers. So it's like gummy bears, but it's like gummy bunnies. Maybe I can put this behind the jellies. Yeah, so it's a surprise. And then I'm gonna take these and I'm gonna dip them in a couple of eggs. Since this year we're not planning to do an Easter egg hunt or anything like that, I'm gonna bring the eggs to him. And as you can see, none of this stuff is expensive. It's super expensive, but it shows them that we are thinking about them. These are stuff that I know he likes. Oh, it doesn't fit. Well, I'll leave it open. It's so cute. Lucky for me, the baby cannot eat any chocolate yet, so oh, it goes for me. And after I put this, I'm gonna fill this up right now and then put it in. So give me 1 second. And ma'am, I'm making a video. Give me a second. I'm making a video. And that's not even your Easter basket, baby. Give me a minute. Alright. Last detail for Lucianito. Like that. And this Easter basket is ready to wrap. Oh my god. I just forgot. I know that I have bought a little bit more because I start buying right after St. Valentine's Day. Right after Valentine's Day, I start thinking about what I'm going to buy and I start gathering things just so it's not like such a hit at the last minute. And I have bought a bunch of these things and more stuff for my daughter and totally forgot. So I went looking in the bags and I found them because I be hiding them like behind over there so my daughter doesn't get to it. I got a Spider-Man pest dispenser, which we will have to accommodate a little bit better. And then instead of putting these here, I'm going to use this. Aren't these adorable? There you go. Ah, that's a lot better. Look how cute. Come on. Come on. I think I'm gonna put... I'm gonna leave one for my daughter and I'm gonna put 2 for him. No ma'am, no ma'am. There you go. That's a lot better. And then I have this little Easter eggs from Reese's as well because he loves Reese's. And then those I'm gonna put here. See, these are little eggs right there. And those I'm going to put in here. And there you go. These are gonna be fillers. Now we're talking. Now this is ready to wrap. And you get no Reese's. Alright, now it's my daughter's turn. We're not gonna play with these yet, Mama. These go in your Easter basket. Hold on, no. Ah! Ah! Okay, fine. I'll give you one toy. I'll give you one toy. Ah! Shh. Yeah, come on, let's do this. Leilani, please. Okay, for my daughter. 1 second, please. Chaos. Chaos. Ah! Pineapples, pineapples. Okay, okay. 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 All right, these are not for you yet, okay? I know. All right, come on, come on. Let's go to the flipping for a little bit, okay? So I can do yours. It's gonna be worth it, I promise. I'll give you a stuffed animal today, okay? I gotta lose the battle but win the war. Look, I was thinking about giving you that for Easter, but you beat me to the punch. Let's show it to them. Can we show it to the camera, please? 1 second. Look how cute. It's a little beep. It's a little pollito. It's a little chicken. And a little bunny ears. Okay, here. You can have it. Oh, you like it? I'm glad you like it. Alright, we're gonna get through this. I gave you a new teddy bear, baby. Can you please? I need to do your Easter basket. You can't play with everything today. Give me a couple of minutes, okay? Te amo. Te amo. Yay! Anyways, to make up for the fact that I'm not getting her any candy, clearly, because she's 1, I got her a little bit more books and stuff like that. So I got her this Paw Patrol paint with water because I am all for not having to clean a mess. I don't know if you can see. Oh, there you go. See? All you have to do is just put some water on it and call it a day. It's gonna be cute. So that's the biggest thing in here. I'm gonna put it down. I also got her a Blue's Clues hard cardboard book. And all of these, I got these, if I'm not mistaken, at the $1.25 store. I also got her a mess-free marker, little Mickey Mouse and Minnie Mouse book. The marker is not gonna go anywhere, so the only thing I'm gonna have to watch is just for her not to put it in her mouth. And I got her a cute little book, M is for mouse. You know, gotta get her little academic started somewhere. I also got her bubbles because when the weather gets better, we're gonna be playing with bubbles. I got her some finger puppets. Aren't these adorable? These I got at Burlington. You know what? I don't need to take out the price. She's not gonna know. She's not gonna know. I got her a little toy truck because I had gotten her a little truck before and she loves to play with the wheels and everything. So I think this is gonna be cute. And it's safe, nothing comes apart. Some stacking cups, which, I'm running out of space. I think I'm gonna have to take these out. Oh, there you go, see? And a little hopping toy. This one is a bunny. Last year I got her a little, I keep saying peep. I got her a little chicken. I think I'm missing something. Yes, I am. And I got her a stuffed peep. Isn't it adorable? I got this from Five and Below. I try to go to different places beforehand and just whatever I like, little by little, just get it in. It's the best way. If you don't plan to succeed, you plan to fail. So keep that in mind. Look at that. And I'm gonna get her a couple of the eggs. These little eggs. Am I not right? Ah! Okay. This fits inside. Yeah, look at that. Talk about saving space. So I'm gonna put these in there, just empty, because she just likes playing with them. Anything that will potentially fit in here would not be safe enough for her to have, because she will put it in her mouth and yeah, that's a hazard. So I'm just giving it to her empty. I don't want to like have it fall out. But we have another one ready. So let's wrap these babies up. Here I got some ribbons and I bought some cellophane bags, because usually you can get a cellophane roll and try to make it yourself, but ain't nobody got time for that this time. Each cellophane bag comes with a little wire wrapper, so it's a lot easier to wrap it around and close it, and then you go ahead and use the ribbon to decorate over that. I don't like to have these little piquitos just like sticking out, so what I do is that with some Scotch tape, I tape them either to the back or I kind of like bring them in, and then I tape that together. Okay, now we make a bow. I'm all for keeping it simple and just keeping it pretty. I mean, after all, I'm the one that's gonna have to open it, so. See, simple and cute. And there you have it. Beautiful, easy, and cost-efficient Easter baskets that you can make for your kids or your whole family, depends how you feel. Guys, if you like this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe down below. Hold on. Down below. And tell all your friends and family to subscribe. Every subscription helps, because once I get to 1,000 subscribers, I can start monetizing and I can get myself a bigger table so I can make more crafts. Hold on. Alright, we're gonna say bye together. Oops, we're gonna say bye together. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you find it very useful, and see you next week. Bye. Say bye. Till Easter.